we got the letter, you know, it was real easy that we could just wrote a check, but we looked at this as an opportunity, and us that know God know that God works in mysterious ways. So I said, look, there's an opportunity to really start building community, building capacity as a business. You know, we've had to look at if we have to move, or maybe we have to go somewhere else because it's tough times. Or do we stay the course and build up, right? And how do you build up is what the assembly member said, doing our part, right? Let us be the role models, right? Let them be the role models, and if we're communicating, then he's gonna figure it out, because he's gonna know nothing other than, as I grew up, I knew the officers. I knew the church leader. Dean, come on up here, right?
All right.
I knew the business owners. I know somebody that has their own business. I mean, I didn't grow up like that. You know what I mean? My mom cleaned houses. You know, my dad sold cassette tapes outside of a restaurant, right? So now they're citizens, they have homes, they own the restaurants. You know what I'm saying? Now that's where we're at. Right? Yeah, and we would definitely want to thank the property owners as well.
Mr. Whitfield, yee!
I just want to say thank you to everybody for coming and to enjoy this small moment together. And I want to say thank you to the big boss company. They do it.
Kelly!
I want to Mr. Whitfield to give us the opportunity for this place. This is a beautiful place. Thank you, Mr. Whitfield, for giving us the opportunity. Thank you guys for coming. I know this is the first time we've been together, but it's not going to be the last time. Yeah. I think we're going to keep working, but if we keep working like that, we're going to be big in the future. Thank you.
And I definitely want to just thank the performers. You know, thank you for bringing that. Thank you to the artists. You know, thank you for this collaboration. Dean, they came over here from the church across the street. If you want to say a few words.
So good afternoon, everybody. Again, my name is Quentin Dean. I go to the church right across the street, St. John Missionary Baptist Church. Been a member there about 27 years, so this neighborhood is kind of like my neighborhood. I used to live about 5 blocks away. My daughter still lives in the neighborhood, not too far from here. So the amazing thing about it, I didn't even, because I go to church here, but when I leave the church, I go home. So I didn't know about what was going on around here until about a year ago. So I'm glad we're coming together. I'm the president of our brotherhood. We have some young men. We call them the young men of destiny. So last Sunday we had 3 people, one from the mayor's office and 2 deputy sheriffs. And I asked would they come speak to the young men, and he agreed to come speak to them. So many of you, I might be asking you to come with our young men. Some of them will be here shortly. We have about 5 young men that they should be here shortly. So I just welcome this opportunity. I know Hillary Clinton said it takes a village. It does take a village. We all can make a difference, but we have to band together. We have to pray about it. Thank you.
Lastly, I want to thank you and also Deputy Magana, also for connecting us. Thank you so much.
Woo! This road, yay.